Okay, another video tonight. I've got a Windslayer. So this goes over the GoPro Hero Session Windslayer. So let's test it out. This is what the Windslayer actually looks like. Is that in focus? So it makes the whole thing a bit bigger. It's not a tight fit either, because I think it's supposed to go over a cage. The GoPros can fit inside a cage. So this is the wind noise. I'm just going to blow on what I think is the microphone on this thing. You can hear what it sounds like. Right, I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to do it with the Windslayer on. Okay, same again, Windslayer's on. Cool, alright, I'll upload this, see what the difference is. So, just watched those videos back and absolutely no difference. Hooray!